Now that you've finished editing and proofreading your poem, you're going to take and move over to our last tab, which is Publish. You want to copy from Edit and Proofread, say OK. So now that you've got this, you're going to publish your work. So you're going to add visuals. You can take and draw your own visuals, or you can look them up on Google. It's up to you. Make sure you review it for final time, and you can take and look at page 92 of your Reading Writing Companion. And when you're done, you're finally going to hit this Publish button. And it should, if all things work properly, put it in a place where everyone should be able to read it. Now, I'm going to do Benny's for him, just so that we can move through it. So, on my Google Docs, you actually have to know where your image is from. So I'm going to come over and I'm going to look for a dog saying roof. I'm going to look for a picture that I think would match this. Ooh, I like this one. So I'm going to use this picture. So I'm going to save it. You might not have all those images, but save it. And then here in your writer's workspace, you can insert an image. We're going to upload it. We're going to browse. Open. And we're going to insert this image. You can take and move it around. I'm just going to leave it up to the top. I might take and say, okay, I want to split this into a couple stanzas. Just so that it looks a little bit more cool. And finally, I'm going to hit Publish. Once you hit Publish, it's going to be sent to me, and it's going to change it so that you can't edit anymore. So once it's locked, that means that you are done and you have turned this in. We are going to share these tomorrow in Zoom so that we can take and celebrate one another's work. Happy working, guys.